In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero step by step. If you're setting up Xero for the first time or moving over from another accounting system, entering your correct conversion balances is one of the most important steps to make sure your reports are accurate from day one. I'll walk you through where to find the conversion balances section, how to select the correct bank account, what date to use, and how to save everything properly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select General Settings. Inside General Settings, find the Accounting section. Under Accounting, click on Conversion Balances. This is where you enter the opening balances for your accounts when moving to Xero from another system. If you haven't started entering balances yet, you'll see an option that says Add Balance. If you've already begun the process and saved draft balances, you may see an Edit option instead. Click Add Balance or Edit depending on your situation. Now you'll see a list of your chart of accounts. From this list, locate and select your bank account. Make sure you choose the correct bank account, especially if you have multiple bank accounts set up in Xero. Selecting the wrong account here will cause your bank reconciliation and reports to be incorrect, so double-check before moving forward. Next, enter the balance as of your conversion date. This should match the closing balance from your previous accounting system or your bank statement on the day before you started using Xero. Be careful to enter the exact figure, including cents, to avoid reconciliation issues later. After entering the balance amount, you'll need to enter the date. In most cases, this will be your Xero conversion date or start date. This is the date you decided your Xero records would begin. It's very important that this date matches the conversion date you set when you first established your Xero organization. If the dates don't match, your financial reports may not calculate correctly. Once you've entered the balance and confirmed the date, review everything carefully. Make sure the account name is correct, the amount is accurate, and the date matches your official conversion date. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save. After saving, Xero will record this as the opening balance for that bank account. From that point forward, all transactions you enter and reconcile will build on top of this starting figure. If your bank reconciliation screen doesn't match your real-life bank balance later, the first thing to check is whether your conversion balance was entered correctly. And that's it! You've successfully entered a bank account conversion balance in Xero. As a quick recap, you go to Settings, then General Settings, then Accounting, then Conversion Balances. Click Add Balance or Edit, select your bank account, enter the balance as of your conversion date, confirm the correct date, and click Save. If this tutorial helped you understand the process more clearly, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. I post simple, practical accounting software tutorials to help you save time and avoid costly mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.